Hey there, welcome to FlutterFlow. I would like to show you how to start a project and manage your project, themes, custom fonts, and styles in FlutterFlow. So let's go ahead and create a new project. We don't need to set up Firebase for this example, so let's go ahead and toggle that off, and we're going to start building. Now, as you can see, we have a blank page here, and we have an app bar. So let's go ahead to our settings and our theme. So here you can manage theme colors, light mode and dark mode. You can preview your theme, and you can change things from light to dark. If you'd like, you can find common colors. This is for if you're bringing an existing app, or if you have an existing app on FlutterFlow and you want to update them to our light and dark mode themes. Eventually you will be able to choose a predefined theme as well. So by default, we give you a pretty good base for light and dark. If you hold to these colors, you will be good to go. But let's go ahead and adjust our colors. So instead of primary or purple, let's change some colors. Okay, so I have colors here that I'm going to use in my application. So let's go ahead and do that. I'll speed up this portion so you don't have to watch all this. Awesome. Now that we have our theme set, let's go ahead and update our fonts. For this, I want to show you how to import a custom font. Let's go ahead and name it Product Sans. Typically, you want this name to match the actual name of the font you'll be uploading. We have our fonts right here. So you just want to make sure your font weight matches the font family name here. Let's go ahead and add the font. And then we can come up to the text styles, and we can either search Google Fonts, but since we have a custom font, let's come over here and select the custom font. And since we don't have the font weight semi-bold, we have regular and bold, or normal and bold. Let's go ahead and change these to our normal. Awesome. Now that we have done this, let's go ahead and adjust some of the font sizes. For this title 2, I think I want it primary text as well. And then everything else should be good. Let's go see our application. Very nice. So I've copied a page into this project from another project, and this is for another tutorial, but I want to show you how you could switch from light to dark mode. You can also preview this in-app, or on the web, I guess. Here, you can also toggle back and forth to see your app in light and dark mode. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'm looking forward to seeing what you can build in FlutterFlow.